What I do when I am bored. First go to Google and type animals.txt. Click on the first GitHub link. Copy all the animals' name text. Now create a folder and name it Python. Open your Android Pie Droid 3 application. Now paste the copied animal's name. Click the Save As button and save it in the folder named Python, which we already created earlier. Give the file name animals.txt. Click the New button. Now type the following lines of code. Now create a blank text file. Give the file as say something.txt. This is a complete code. Now save this Python file by the name say.py. Now click the Run button. In the output it would show nothing. Now exit the application and close all the apps. Go to My Files and click on Python folder and then open your say something.txt. Copy all the text. Open your WhatsApp. Paste the copy text to the desired person. Boom. This is how it looks. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day ahead.